press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi everyone, this is Aram Darepalli. Welcome to my channel Tech and Life. This is the fifth episode in the series of a free bootcamp course of Tableau and a data visualization tool. In this video, I am going to explain about dimensions and measures, which are blue pills and green pills. We call it in casual manner. So what are the dimensions and what are the measures? We are going to discuss it in this video, and please do watch completely end of the video up to end of this video so that you can get an idea of what are the dimensions and what are the measures. Mostly dimensions are considered as the features. So what are the features we can consider in an stock exchange or shopping data set. So we can consider order ID and order name, what is the region of the shop and what is the country, state, city. Like this, all the contents which are related to features in the top of the data set will be considered as the dimensions, and the values of those features will be considered as measures. We can perform filtering, pivoting using these kind of information, and those concepts will be explained in the later episode. So in this video I am going to explain about dimensions and features and how to map them. So how to map them in rows and columns in the Tableau workspace, and how to create a sheet. And after creating 2 or 3 sheets, I am going to explain about how to create a dashboard using that those 4 sheets or 2 to 3 sheets which I created using the dataset which I am considering. So I am using a sample dataset which already existing in my repository, so it will be very useful for you. For your reference, I am going to share that dataset link in the link below in the description. So please download those datasets for your reference, and you can practice on your own. Thanks for watching this video.
Hey guys, as I mentioned in the introduction of this video, I am going to discuss about what is the difference between dimensions and measures. So let's start with checking world's indicator dataset, which is already available in Tableau dashboard. So I am loading the content of world indicators, and if you observe here, let me split this one. If you observe here, so these are all the things which are mentioned in the blue color are called as dimensions, and which are mentioned in the green color are representing with measures. So what is the difference between, what's the purpose of these dimensions and measures? So let me create one more sheet here. So a dimension is a content related to a domain. For suppose a country and region can be considered as one domain, one category. So we don't have any specific values in the category by default, but if you want to check something related to that country and region with respect to measures, this measure will give the numerical indicators of the specific dimension. So it will be differentiating like this. So you can add more measures to one dimension like this. Even you can add more dimensions here. So based on your implementation, that will be considered whether it is a dimension or as a measure. So mostly, to be precise, dimensions are considered as the main content, the main representation of a category like things. So the variables in numerical format with respect to those categories are considered as measures. So based on this representation in the form of table, I am going to plot it in one kind of a graph like this. So side by side bars. I can plot in this symbol maps also. So based on our requirement, we can change this one, and based on our implementation in maps, the rows and columns will change. So previously, while using the side by side graphs, so longitude and latitude are not considered, but while using this symbol map, the world map, automatically the rows and columns are converted to longitude and latitude requirements. So based on our requirement, we can consider something like a measure as a dimension in some cases, but most probably a dimension is a categorical variable which is holding some value, and measure is representing the numerical indications of that specific dimension. So that's all about dimensions and measures.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and I think you got some information on Tableau, which is required to become a data analyst. And thanks for subscriptions, and please do follow every episode in my channel. Like the video, share the video, please press the bell icon. If you are not subscriber, please subscribe to my channel Tech and Life, and please press the bell icon. It will be very helpful for me, and you can get the notifications of further videos and other bootcamp course related information. And please support me and mention your views in the comment section, so it will be very helpful for me. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.